The Lessons and Levels page is located on the left-hand menu under the Content header. This is where you can explore all of the different lessons offered on MusiQuest by perusing the lesson titles, searching with keywords, or exploring lessons within each level. Level 1 is Beginner, Level 2 is Beginner Intermediate, Level 3 is Intermediate, Level 4 is Intermediate Advanced, and Level 5 is Advanced. I want to find a lesson about half notes, so I'll type in half note. If I want to find more information about this lesson, I can click on the vertical 3 dots, and a list of options will appear. For a lesson overview, I can click on Lesson Page, which will take me to a page with the lesson's learning objectives, level, length, content summary, storyline summary, instructional samples, featured free experience, teaching tips, and much more. I can click on Lesson Page PDF to open a printable PDF of the lesson overview page. And if I click Free Preview, I can go through a free featured experience from the lesson. When you are ready to assign a lesson, check out the MusiQuest Assignments tutorial playlist, where we'll walk through how to add assignments. The link to this playlist is in the description of this video. In the next video, we'll cover the Quests and Courses page.